Have you ever just watched a baby and marveled at their tiny hands? They're not just for making cute little gestures, they are literally a baby's first tools for exploring and understanding their entire world. We're about to dive into how a baby's simple, almost reflexive grasp transforms into a tool of incredible precision. Let's get into it.
So, how does a baby actually discover their world with their hands? It's a really fascinating journey that unfolds in these clear, distinct stages, and it all kicks off with one foundational move.
And that first major milestone is the palmar grip. This is the very first intentional hold that a baby masters. And you've got to remember, it's the foundation for every single grip that comes after it.
The palmar grip is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. A baby uses their entire palm and all their fingers to grab onto an object. You know, if you hand a baby a small toy, they don't delicately pick it up. Nope, they just envelop it with their whole hand in one powerful, determined motion. And this is a huge deal. It's their first real shot at intentionally controlling something in their world.
This powerful grip typically shows up right around the 6-month mark. It's a key sign that their motor skills are really starting to fire up, getting them ready to unlock a whole new level of play and interaction.
Okay, so from that powerful whole hand grasp, the next big leap is toward the pincer grip. And this is a total game changer. It marks this amazing shift from a kind of crude full hand hold to a much more refined and precise movement.
The pincer grip is all about bringing the thumb and forefinger together to pick things up, and it's a huge step in developing those fine motor skills. What's so remarkable is that this grip doesn't just appear overnight. It actually develops in 2 distinct stages as their control gets more and more refined. So first, babies develop what's called the inferior pincer grip. This is where they use the fleshy pads of their thumb and forefinger. It's maybe a little clumsy, but hey, it's effective. Then, they master the superior pincer grip, and this is where they use the very tips of their thumb and forefinger for some real precision. Think of it like this. It's the difference between picking up a small piece of cereal with the sides of your fingers versus just perfectly plucking it with the very tips. That's a massive leap in dexterity. So let's map this all out. When you see the timeline, it really highlights the incredible progress a baby makes in just a few short months, going from raw strength to this incredibly delicate control. This timeline just shows that beautiful, logical progression. It all starts at 6 months with that full-hand palmar grip. Then by 9 months, that more refined pinch using their finger pad starts to emerge. And by 10 to 12 months, most babies master that precise fingertip grip, which really sets the stage for much more complex tasks down the road.
Okay, so why does all of this matter? It's so much more than just a neat trick for picking up snacks. These grips are the absolute foundation of a child's independence and their ability to learn about the world around them.
I mean, mastering these grips is crucial for so many future skills. That precise pincer grip, that's what lets them self-feed with small pieces of food. That earlier palmar grip, that evolves into holding a crayon or a bottle. These skills are key to interacting with more complex toys, and they are the very first building blocks for writing. Every single time a baby picks something up, they're building a foundation for their future.
It's really an incredible journey, isn't it? From a simple clench to a masterful pinch. This progression is just an amazing reminder of the incredible development that's happening every single day. So what next adventure do you think their tiny, capable hands are preparing for?